Hello dear students, today we are going to continue our progress check. Our lesson is devoted to vocabulary and grammar of the first model, and then we shall do writing. Open your books at page 20. Exercise 3. You are to fill in the words which were in your vocabularies during this model. Look at the first sentence. When you cut yourself, your blood should clot to help stop the bleeding. Finish this exercise. In exercise 4, you are to match the two columns to form the complete sentence. For example, we are unsure how to apply for funding for the project. Complete the other sentences yourselves. Exercise 5. You are to underline the pre- and post modifiers in sentences. For example, the research involved in cloning a plant required a $10,000 investment. You see, a $10,000 investment. We ask, what did the research require? The second sentence, he suffers from a serious clotting disorder. We ask, what does he suffer from? Number 3. We identified the plants which had rare genetic characteristics. What kind of plants did we identify? This test will give us information about your blood platelets. What kind of information will the test give us? In exercise 6, you are to write the sentences using apposition and textual referencing. For example, my friend studies immunology. Her name is Anna White. You will write, my friend Anna White studies immunology. And textual reference example. Receiving hemodialysis is a time-consuming treatment, although receiving hemodialysis is a means of survival for some people. You are to write as receiving hemodialysis is a time-consuming treatment, but it is a means of survival for some people. Rewrite sentences to and for yourselves. And now, writing. You are to read the rubrics and write your email. Your school is hosting a biology day next month. Your teacher has asked you to invite an immunologist doctor from the local university hospital to give a talk to students. Write an email to the scientists inviting them to attend the event and give a talk. Give details about when and where the event will take place and say why you chose to ask him or her. Write your email about 120 or 180 words. Listen to the model.
Dear Mrs. Aliyev, it is with great pleasure that I write to invite you as a guest speaker to give a talk at a biology day to be held at the International School of Almaty. We would be honored if you would accept. The biology day will take place on the 12th of June from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on campus at Sapate Batia Street in Almaty. The topic of your talk would be entirely your decision. However, it should be science-related. We specifically asked you to give a talk because we admire and respect your work. Moreover, you were a former student of the school, and therefore your presence would be inspiring to the students. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I genuinely hope that you will accept my invitation. I look forward to hearing your response. Yours sincerely, Anna Ospanov.
So your task is to finish exercises 3, 4, 6 and 7 at page 20.